Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me here on Lori Beauty. This is where we discuss all things beauty, skincare, and lifestyle related. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make your under eye concealer look better. My problem area is my under eyes. It always has been with the skin as well as discoloration. Because I'm so fair, you can easily see darkness and veins through my makeup. So I do this special trick and I want to share it with you all because I don't think that many people are doing it. So let's get started. So I start off with an eye cream that I put under my eyes. Really, any eye cream that you use is fine. Now we're going to do one eye with my normal concealer, which is the Armani Beauty 4.5, I believe. And with the other eye, I'm going to put on a color corrector. This color corrector is called Color Perfection by Same. And you can find this one on Amazon. Going in with the Power Fabric Armani Beauty Concealer, and I am using a brush for this, and if you are looking for brushes, these are amazing. They're by Lisa J Beauty, and I will link them down below. Now, I think because it's a full coverage concealer, it covers really nicely, but I still see some darkness and some areas that look uneven. So let's try it with a color concealer. Now, I'm going to be going in with this apricot color right here. And because I took a little too much, I'm going to go ahead and pat it in and wipe off the excess. And I already see this huge difference. This eye looks color corrected, while this eye looks like it has concealer on it. It looks lighter, and this eye's color is just more blended in, and it looks so much more natural, as if I have even skin. I could just go out like this. Let me just make sure I'm blended. And you can even use it on your upper eyelid area as well if you have discoloration there, which I'm going to do right now because I have taken a little bit too much. Okay, so here are the two eyes, concealer versus just the color corrector. Now I'm going to put the concealer over the color corrector. Okay, and here is the difference. Here's the eye with both the color corrector and the concealer, and here's the eye with just the concealer. And for me, I see a clear difference. I love the coverage that both of them give me on this side, whereas here I look just a little bit more cakey and unfinished. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Make sure to like and comment this video. It really helps me a lot. See you in the next one. Bye guys.